Hi everyone, it's Maria with the Tailored Realty team, and welcome to day 2 of getting your home ready to list in the spring market. Today we're going to talk about flooring. So flooring is, in my opinion, one of the most important parts of your home when it is getting shown to buyers. That is something that most buyers see first and either have really positive opinions and feelings on it or pretty negative feelings and opinions on it. So let's talk about existing flooring. So if you already have some nice hardwood floor in your house, it might be something to think about to get that flooring refinished. It can be costly, but it is something that you will get the money back on your offer at the end. Flooring is so important. If you already have carpet in your home and you're not willing to switch out that carpet for new carpet or switch it out for hardwood or laminate, then getting it professionally cleaned and making sure that every day before your showings start that day, you're vacuuming it really nice, making it look really crisp, really clean. If you are thinking about making a change in your flooring, let's talk about that. So if you're willing to change your flooring and you are willing to pay the most top dollar for flooring, then I would say that hardwood is just the most basic, natural, durable option. People prefer hardwood flooring. It can last for up to 100 years if you're taking care of it. It looks the most real. It looks the most organic. And it really, you will get your money back for putting in hardwood flooring. If you're not willing to or you're not able to spend the money on natural hardwood, there are other options like vinyl and laminate. And those options are great because they're even things that you can do on your own as a DIY project. It's usually a lot more cost effective. You have a lot of options. Vinyl flooring is actually almost 100% waterproof most times. So you can even use that in your kitchen, in your bathroom, and it just spruces it up. It looks so fresh and so good. If you are thinking about sticking with carpet, then we always suggest to put in new carpet so it looks just fresh and clean and it doesn't have that smell that you maybe don't realize that it has in it, and it just will freshen the whole place up. So when thinking about flooring, if you're willing to put the money into it, it'll make a huge difference. You will get that money back on your offers that you receive. So if you have any questions, please reach out. We would love to give you any options. And something that we like to do on our team is just go to Home Depot and look at the samples that they have of carpet, vinyl, hardwood. Seeing all those different samples can kind of put in your head like, oh, that's actually pretty affordable and I could probably do that by myself and I could have a couple friends come help or your family. So it's actually a lot more doable than you think and it'll make such a big difference. Trust us, we know what we're talking about. So yeah, stay tuned. We're having day 3 tomorrow and it'll be a new topic on how to get your home ready for spring market. So yeah, have a good one.